Welcome, here I've got OPPO Find X2 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to manage the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we pick this button we get access to advanced camera settings, and here we have to pick the composition. Now we have the grids and guides, we can add them to the photo or to the video. Now let me start with photo. When we pick it, we can add three types of grid lines: grid, diagonal lines and gold spiral. Let me start with grid. Now when we go back to the camera, we can see these lines in the preview. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography. Another tap to the right corner to the composition and the photo grid lines, and let's move to the diagonal lines. And in the preview now we have this kind of view. These lines are also useful when we want to make experiments with composition in our pictures. Let's tap again to the right corner, to the composition, to the photo grid lines and move to the gold spiral. And in the preview now we can see this kind of lines. Of course, remember that all of these grid lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I move to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see the grid lines at the real picture, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And of course, when we don't need them or need another view, we have to go back to the right corner, to the composition, pick the photo grid and pick here whatever we need or just turn them off. Also, let's tap to the video. Here we get only one option, we can add the standard grid. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.